guys know the weather took an absolute shit on us recently, and it snowed like crazy. There's a shit ton of snow. Luckily, they kind of cleared out my street and I cleared out my driveway, but there's still a lot of fucking snow. Now, a normal person wouldn't really take their pretty much slammed Subaru BRZ out that has summer tires, but today, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Did someone say popcorn?
Later.
If you hit my car, bro, I'm gonna drop kick you. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I didn't even get a chance. A cop just showed up, and this is our second spot, and a cop just caught us. So we're just gonna play it off like we're taking pictures. Look at this asshole! Yo, he acted so fast too. So good. Dude. Were they good? Dude, on summer tires, this was a mistake. I wish I had all seasons at least, because I got no traction whatsoever with these. I got stuck in that pile of snow so many times. Oh! I kind of want to try a burnout actually. Oh, what a racer! Actually, never mind. Nope. Never mind. I'm not doing a burnout.
2 hours later.
Got the car back in the garage, got Jay's car in my driveway, and we're actually gonna take my mom's car. We're headed to the Subaru dealership right now to possibly look at a new car that might be on the channel, and yes, we do have the Miata, but there might also be another car. I wish I could take you, but you've already gotten stuck way too many times today. Oh, VTEC! Oh shit, dude. I mean, I'm just saying that, like, if these two cars are just sitting outside in the snow, I could drive them. I could keep them warm. All right, so I know I'm gonna get some shit for saying this, but I was gonna get a WRX, but the main reason I didn't get a WRX is because of this. A stock WRX looks very close to a stock Impreza. Like, it kind of looks like a normal sedan. Like, yeah, it has the hood scoop. Yeah, it's a little bit more aggressive, but it kind of looks the same. Like I said, I know I'm gonna get shit for that, but that's kind of the main reason why I stood more towards the BRZ rather than the WRX. You can argue, but they kind of look very similar, and it does look like a normal sedan while it's stock. Once you mod it, those things are beasts, but while it's stock, they really look similar. One of my favorite things about this is the flat bottom steering wheel, dude.
Yeah, that's the best thing.
I really wish I had that in my car. Honestly, dude, if you get this, I'll trade you my steering wheel. No, I'm just kidding. But dude, seriously, the flat bottom steering wheel is super fresh. Leaving Subaru right now, and it was a huge fail, and they were being like dickheads, dude. Like honestly, I think it's, I mean, I understand where they're coming from. Like, we're just kids, we're asking to see a WRX, but like they didn't have to be dickheads like that. Like they were kind of mean. Like, what do you think?
I don't know. I mean, the guy was kind of like, he was a little bit rude, and he just wasn't really giving me like too much attention. Like you know, as a buyer, like you're supposed to receive attention, and you're supposed to just kind of like, you're supposed to be satisfied, because at the end of the day, you're the one that's dropping all the money for the car. Yeah. So, and I wouldn't buy it here. I would buy it somewhere else.
Definitely don't buy it from him. Like he was really being a dick. So we might go to another Subaru dealership if there's one nearby. We don't know for sure yet. We definitely want to test drive a car today because he's never driven a WRX. I've never driven a WRX. So we want to see it before like we set our hearts on it. On to the next dealership. Second stop of the night, Subaru of Freehold.
The next day.
Picked up Jay and we're headed to New York, and we're actually headed to the same dealership that I actually bought my car from, and hopefully we find the car that Jay wants. Outside right now, but it's crazy to be back in the parking lot. Like literally last year I was in this parking lot and my car was all the way back there. Nope. Nope. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so souped. Oh, I love it. I cannot wait to start this build. Huge throwback rows. Can someone let me know if I can fit those brakes into my BRZ? Because if I can fit those brakes into my BRZ, I definitely do it. But why? Why? Why do that to such an awesome car?
The biggest thing I've ever seen in any car ever in my life. Well, the BRZ, actually, I way prefer the pedal positioning in the BRZ. We're gonna go out to this stop sign and we're gonna make a left. In the BRZ, the pedals are like super close to each other. It's really easy to heel toe maneuver and stuff. In the WRX, it's like between the brake and the gas pedal. It's like it's like an inch and a half. See? For sure. So we came back, spoke to the same exact salesperson that I bought my car from, and dude, instantly off the bat, so much nicer, dude. I liked him, he's pretty chill. Dude, he has so much respect for like customers. Like the other Subaru dealers we went to, the other salespeople we went to, dude, they were terrible. They're like, honestly, like we walked in and like he made us wait a little bit, but it was all cool because he was with someone. And then as soon as we sat down, he asked me, he's like, what are you looking for? I said WRX. He's like, perfect, you can test drive one today. And I was like, damn, really? He actually like he took us seriously and like, you know, respected us, and that's a huge move right there. If you're ever looking for a Subaru and you're like in the New York area, Bill Kolb Jr. and come to Larry. Larry is just awesome. It's honestly so crazy to think that I was driving on this exact road about a year ago and I had no idea how to drive manual, and now I'm like super confident driving back home. Like, it's really been a year with this car, and honestly I love it.